Hi guys, Kevin from Tokyohandsomeboys here. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you the way to order at a traditional Japanese authentic pub called an Izakaya. Even a little bit of Japanese can open doors for you. Japanese is a hard language, but with just a few simple phrases you'll find a world of difference. First, I'm going to teach you how to order your first drink. At an Izakaya, it's good manners to order right away, right when you come. So most people tend to start off with a beer or a highball. The first thing you'll need to know is how to say excuse me or sumimasen. In America, you have to try hard to catch the waiter's eye, which is a total pain, right? But in Japan, it's easy. All you have to do is say sumimasen, and the waiter will come right over. If they're busy, they'll just say hi, and then they'll get to you when they're ready. It's so much a better system than in America. Can you believe we give tips for that? Then, to say your order, you'll just say the thing that you want, and then kudasai, which means please. So, if you want beer, you would say biiru kudasai. If you want a highball, you'd say highballu kudasai. So let's try. Sumimasen. Highballu kudasai. Highballu 1つですね。はい。かしこまりました。少々お待ちください。
6.5 hours later.
ハイボールです。ありがとうございます。わー、大きいですね。Now once for my fabulous cameraman Ryoma, 乾杯! Umai! Yeah, in Japanese, when we drink something delicious, we say umai. Okay, now I'm going to try ordering Japanese yakitori, chicken skewers. I'm gonna order Japanese meatball and also chicken heart. When you want to order but you don't know how to read something and don't know how it's pronounced, you can just say kore, which means this. So you can point to something and say kore kudasai, this please. When I want to order multiple things, I can say to, which means and. So I can say kore to, kore kudasai, this and this please. Sumimasen.
少々お待ちください。はい、どうぞ。
これとこれください。
つくねとハートカレーですね。はい。お二つでかしこまりました。
One eternity later.
ありがとうございます。美味しそう。Heart and also つくね chicken meatball mustard sauce. Let's try dipping. Yeah, this was once 3 chickens. 1, 2, 3. So sorry, but you became so tasty. The last thing is when you want to get the check, you should tap your fingers like this in the shape of an X. You can make this shape and then actually tap with your back finger. So you can ask sumimasen and then just tap to show that you want the check. Sumimasen.
あ、お会計ですね。かしこまりました。
ありがとうございます。はい、ありがとうございます。ごちそうさまでした。ありがとうございました。ありがとうございました。ごちそうさまでした。Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you out in ordering and getting some confidence for your trip to Japan. So keep watching Tokyo Handsome Boys for more local tips in Tokyo, and I'll see you next time.